Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Right here, we are looking at the Blackbird EA listing. I can see the rental options first, including 1 month going for 369 US dollars and 3 months access going for 963 US dollars, which suggests this is structured more like a premium rental based system rather than a one-time purchase. The developer behind this EA is Ahmad An Isnain Shofran, and the version currently listed is 2.1, updated in February 2023. Now, one important thing to confirm early is that this EA is designed for MetaTrader 4, so everything in this review will be focused strictly on MT4 usage. Scrolling through the description, Blackbird EA is presented as a hedging-based trading system with an advanced algorithm. It also mentions Martingale style logic, so the positioning here is clearly towards users who already understand higher risk trading approaches. The system is also described as a fast entry scalp trading model, meaning it aims to react quickly to market movements and manage trades actively once they are open. All right. So one key thing I noticed is the emphasis on trade management rather than just entries. It mentions dynamic take profit and different exit modes depending on market conditions. So instead of a fixed approach, the EA adapts how it closes trades based on what the market is doing at the moment. All right. So moving into the strategy sorry moving into the settings section. Okay, moving into the settings section, there is a strong focus on risk and exposure control, and you can see parameters related to lot sizing, drawdown handling, and trade management logic. So there are also references to hedging and martingale behavior, which suggests the system can scale positions in different directions depending on market conditions. All right. Now, another important part mentioned is capital requirements and usage guidance. The developer highlights that this EA is designed for larger account sizes and should be should not be run continuously without breaks or proper profit taking discipline. Okay. So this is clearly positioned as a system that requires active monitoring and proper risk management rather than a fully passive setup. Now, before moving into the back testing, it's also noted that the EA can be used on any pair and any time frame, but the default configuration is optimized for assets like gold and BTC USD. All right, which typically have higher volatility. Now, shifting into the backtest section, I'm just going to focus on how the system behaves across historical data. With systems like this, I prefer to look at longer testing periods because they give a clearer picture of how drawdown phases and recovery behavior develop over time. But for want of time, I just ran the test over the past month, and as you can see, I'm running the test on Euro USD on the H1 time frame. This is the Blackbird EA, and let's quickly go to the results. We can see that from an initial deposit of $50,000, the total net profit was $45.07. Total trades taken, we are 67. All right, and short positions we are 35 with 74.29% win rate. Long positions we are 32 with 62.5% win rate, and the largest profit was 78.96. Largest loss was 75.78. Now, the average profit was $8.1 and the average loss was $15.6. So this shows me that the risk to reward ratio is pretty bad, and the win rate is okay, although it's not really excellent per se, but the win rate is okay. So when you put side by side the win rate with this poor risk to reward ratio, it's not exactly surprising to have just a very little total net profit from 67 trades. All right. Now let's just quickly look at the EA in action. So I'm going to turn on the visual mode, same settings, and we can quickly look at the chart behavior. All right. So looking at the historical chart behavior, what typically stands out with this type of EA is the way trades cluster during movement phases and how positions are managed once the market starts trending or reversing. Now, the focus here is less about single entries and more about how the system handles sequences of trades. Okay, so from a strategy perspective, the behavior suggests a combination of quick scalp entries combined with layered position management. The hedging and martingale components likely influence how exposure is adjusted when price moves against or in favor of the basket of trades. Now, when it comes to the historical backtest results, this should always be treated strictly as historical testing performance. With systems that include martingale and hedging mechanics, performance can vary significantly depending on lot size, broker conditions, spreads, slippage, and account configuration. Okay, so that's why it's always important to test extensively on a demo account. All right, first, and understand how it behaves under your specific trading environment before even considering live usage. All right. So here, interpreting, the dashboard that we have here, we can see all those buttons here displayed by the Blackbird Expert Advisor to open buy limit, open sell limit, buy, open buy stop, open sell stop, to open buy trade, open sell, then also to close all, to close buy all, close sell all. That is to close all the buy orders, close all the sell orders. Then this to close all the losses, right? This one's to close the profits. Then these are delete all pending orders. Then this one delete stop all, delete limit all. Then to set stop loss to break even for all open orders. Then this add 1 pip to current stop loss price for all open orders. Then this is to delete SL. Then this to change TP. All right, you just put in the TP values here and then change the TP. Here is to change SL, and this is to rest and realize. All right, so the EA also gives some level of manual input. All right, but this is the EA in action, and also you can see all this information displayed here, the auto lot size, account number, and the rest of that. Local time, session, allow trade, total open orders, total lot buy, total lot sell, and all these other important informations. And here we're also seeing the balance, the equity, the free margin, the profit and loss symbol, profit and loss buy, profit and loss sell, profit and loss account, the buy orders, total loss. Now, overall, the Blackbird EA is positioned as a high intensity trading system with aggressive trade management logic, combining scalp style entries with advanced position handling. It is not designed for passive use, and it clearly requires proper capitalization and active oversight. So the main takeaway here is that the performance is heavily dependent on how it is configured and how it is managed in real trading conditions, not just what we see in backtesting. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.